In a digital landscape where every inbox is a battleground, Keap email marketing stands out as a powerful ally for businesses aiming to capture and retain attention. Amidst the daily average of 200 billion emails, making your message resonate has never been more crucial. This video explores how Keap's innovative email marketing tools can transform your strategy. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding the impact of email marketing. Email marketing is more than just sending out blasts to a list of contacts. It's a strategic tool for direct communication. Whether the goal is to boost sales, enhance customer retention, or simply engage a wider audience, email marketing provides a scalable and cost-effective solution. Unlike other marketing channels that require significant investment, the primary cost in email marketing is in selecting and using an email marketing software. Once that's in place, businesses can reach out to as many customers as they want, making it an affordable strategy for businesses of all sizes. The limitations of mass email marketing. While sending emails in mass might seem like a quick way to reach a broad audience, it's not the best practice. Mass email marketing lacks the personal touch that today's consumers expect. It involves sending the same message to all subscribers, disregarding their unique preferences and behaviors. This approach often leads to lower engagement rates as the content might not be relevant to every recipient. Instead, segmenting your audience and tailoring your messages to meet their specific needs and interests is a more effective strategy. This not only improves key email metrics but also enhances the overall customer experience. Keap, a premier solution for targeted email marketing. Keap email marketing for entrepreneurs. Keap email marketing is tailor-made for entrepreneurs who aim to leave a mark with their online marketing. It's easy to use with a dashboard that makes creating, sending, and keeping an eye on emails a breeze. But Keap goes beyond just the basics. It helps you send emails that are timely and relevant to each recipient, making sure your messages hit home. By doing this, Keap ensures that your marketing efforts are efficient, targeted, and more likely to lead to real results. The Keap Difference. What makes Keap different is how it brings together the best of email marketing, automation, and CRM into one powerful package. This combination means every email you send does more than just deliver a message. It builds relationships. Keap automates responses based on what your customers do, saving you a ton of time and keeping your audience engaged. Plus, its stunning email designs make sure your brand looks its best in every inbox. With Keap, you are not just covering the basics, you are creating a comprehensive strategy that speaks directly to your customers, wherever they are in their journey with your business. Automation for efficiency. Keap's email automation is like having a smart assistant who knows exactly when to send the perfect message to your customers. It looks at what your customers do and sends them emails that match their interests. This smart feature saves you a lot of time because you don't have to send these emails out yourself. You can use that extra time, think about big ideas for growing your business, while Keap handles the day-to-day email tasks. Design that speaks. Keap offers a collection of beautiful email templates that do more than just look good. They grab your customers' attention the moment they open your email, making them want to read more. These templates are designed to make your message clearer and push your customers to take action, like buying something or signing up. By using Keap's designs, you are not just sending emails, you are sending a piece of your brand that speaks directly to your customer's heart. Data-driven decisions. With Keap, you get to see exactly how your emails are doing, thanks to its deep dive into the numbers. It shows you which emails your customers like to open and which ones makes them click to learn more. This means you can stop guessing what works and start using proven strategies to get better results. Keap's analytics and A/B testing tools are like a roadmap guiding you to make smarter choices that lead to more successful email campaigns. The email marketing journey with Keap. Keap takes the guesswork out of email marketing by making every message feel like it's written just for the person reading it. As soon as someone shows interest in your business by signing up, Keap sorts them into a group based on what you already know about them. This could be what they like, like, where they are from, or anything else that helps send them emails they are actually want to read. Because these emails are so spot on, people pay more attention to them, which can lead them to buy something from you. But Keap knows that making a sale is not the end of the story. It keeps the conversation going, sending out more personalized messages that not only bring customers back for more, but also build a strong bond between them and your brand over time. This approach turns one-time buyers into loyal fans, creating a community around your business. Making the switch to Keap. Moving to a new email marketing service might sound like a big headache, but Keap has thought of that and offers free help to move all your important stuff. This includes customer contacts and past emails from other services you might have used, like MailChimp or Constant Contact. They have got a team that specializes in making the switch smooth, so you won't have to worry about losing anything important or having to pause your email campaigns. This means you can jump straight into using Keap without any downtime or hiccups. It's like moving houses, but instead of packing and unpacking boxes, Keap does all the heavy lifting for you. Why Keap is the go-to choice for email marketing? Keap not only meets the industry standard for email marketing performance, but exceeds them. With an average open rate of 20% and a click rate of 13%, Keap's users enjoy higher engagement rates compared to the industry averages of 17.9% and 2.7% respectively. This enhanced performance is a testament to Keap's effective design, automation, and segmentation capabilities. Moreover, the potential return on investment with email marketing is substantial, offering $42 for every $1 spent. Keap maximizes this potential by facilitating more efficient lead nurturing, deal closing, and customer engagement processes through automation and targeted messaging. Additionally, Keap addresses the need for speedy follow-ups, a critical factor as 44% of potential clients move on to another company if responses are slow. With automation tools, Keap ensures quick and relevant replies, reducing stress and chaos for businesses. The comprehensive solution: email and text messaging. In today's fast-paced world, combining email with text messaging ensures that businesses can reach their customers through their preferred communication channels. Keap offers integrated solutions that allow for this multi-channel approach, speeding up reply times and enhancing customer satisfaction. Email marketing remains a pivotal tool in the digital marketing arsenal, offering direct and personalized communication with potential and current customers. Keap email marketing elevates this tool by providing an integrated suite of features designed to optimize efficiency, engagement, and ROI. From automated workflows and beautiful designs to comprehensive analytics and seamless migrations, Keap is engineered to help businesses grow through effective email marketing strategies. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.